Welcome to rstats. In this video we are going to describe about string manipulation in R. Subscribe the channel if you are not yet subscribed. We'll show you how to manipulate strings in the R programming language using many methods. To begin, we'll read text from a file into the computer to demonstrate the string operations. You can see an example of those lines here. You can use the char function to count the number of characters in a string by giving the string in as an argument. Our vector's first element is a 362-character string, as you can see. The tuple function can be used to convert all the characters in a string to uppercase. Similarly, you can use the to-lower method if you'd like to change all the string's characters to lowercase. The Substr function can be used to replace a certain set of characters in a string. The first input is a string containing the characters that should be replaced. The replacement characters are stored in the second argument, which is a string. The str-split function allows you to split a string into two parts using an expression. Take a look at the syntax in this section. Because each word in the original string was separated by a space character, you'll note that the vector contains one element per word when you look at the output. By feeding the list1 vector we just produced into the sort function, we can sort it as well. The paste function can also be used to concatenate the elements of a character vector. The Substr function can be used to isolate a specified portion of a string. It's possible that you'll wish to count backward from the last location to build a substring. You should now be able to change the characters in a string, split a string into a vector, and retrieve specific substrings. If you want to get more tutorials, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video. For more information visit rstats.com.